Uy, in fairness ha, ang sasarap ng pizzas na 'to from Delish Cheese. Honestly, when they invited me over to try it, medyo hesitant ako kasi ang layo sa may Kawayan, Bulacan pa yung location. Pero magaganda kasi yung Google reviews, so naisip ko baka worth the drive rin naman. Let's go! Nakita ko rin na marami na silang branch and yung dito sa Bulacan, wala masyadong space for dining in, so pinick up na lang namin yung food and brought it back home. Nabinyagan na rin 'to ni Mama Dog. Shinare kasi namin yung ibang pizza crust sa kanya. Mukhang super hungry and uhaw na, eh sobrang init pa naman that time. Okay, so this is the three cheese pizza. First impression sa pizzas nila, very affordable and ang bibigat talaga. As you can see, super kapal yung cheese niya and nangigibabaw yung mozzarella and cheddar. So for sure, pasado to sa mga cheese lovers. After a few bites though, medyo naalata na ako. Don't get me wrong, it's really good, but I prefer lang less cheddar siguro para di nakakaumay. Ito namang kaniyaki yung favorite naming lahat sa bahay. Very generous sa toppings pero hindi nakakaumay kasi yung sauce niya is savory and a little bit sweet, tapos maumami and medyo smoky from the bonito flakes. Ang sarap din ng crab stick bits. Medyo soft lang yung dough niya, so we tried toasting it for a few minutes